Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, in Quincke's experiment, the sound detected is changed from maximum to minimum when sliding tube is moved through a distance of 2.50 centimeter. Okay, 2.50 centimeter, that is distance moved by the sliding tube. Okay, and in the, we can say this distance between the maximum and minimum in the Quincke's experiment, that is equals to lambda by 4. Okay, so we can find out from here wavelength. So lambda, it will be 2.50 centimeter multiplied by 10, that is 10 centimeter, or we can say 0.1 meter. Okay, and we have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out the frequency of the sound. If the speed of the sound in air is given, velocity is given 340 meter per second, we have to find out the frequency. So we know that the velocity is equals to frequency multiplied the wavelength. So from here frequency will be velocity divided by wavelength. So velocity is given 340 divided by wavelength, we have find out 0.1. So 0.1, 350 by 340 divided by 0.1, that is 3400 hertz. Okay, or we can say 3400 hertz, or we can say 3.4 kilohertz. It will be the final answer of this question. Okay, we can say the frequency of the sound is 3.4 kilohertz. Thank you.